Now, I do briefly want to touch on the total cryptocurrency market cap scenario that Bill was talking about or alluding to, the chart he was alluding to. Where would we see total cryptocurrency market cap land in a black swan event? Well, likely somewhere around $835 billion, somewhere around our old all-time high, right? Makes sense. Our old all-time high for Bitcoin was 20K. Our old all-time high for a total cryptocurrency market cap was 835 billion. If we had a black swan event, we could absolutely see a wick down here. And I would think that would be a very good buying opportunity, right? If we see total cryptocurrency market cap get to 0 days to fair value, meaning it gets back down to this long-term trend line that has acted as support repeatedly over time, right? That'd be a good buying opportunity, in which case you would want to have 20 to 30+% stablecoin allocation. Now, while we're on the topic of total cryptocurrency market cap, I want to talk about my favorite feature of the new Token Metrics 2.0 dashboard, right? We know that in the long term, if we zoom out, total cryptocurrency market cap is very likely going to operate somewhere in this range, right? Over the next 2 to 3 to 4 years, right? Now, eventually we'll probably get into a logarithmic regression where we'll flatten out. But for right now, we're actually seeing very, very steady exponential growth. And we have targets knowing that this market can sustain valuations upwards of $3 to $8 trillion in total cryptocurrency market cap. Well, cool thing about Token Metrics 2.0 is we've got this scenario analysis now built in. So now we can take a look at Ethereum and go to price predictions and go down to the scenario analysis. And we can see on the left here, this is market dominance. These are our market dominant scenarios. Up on the top here, we can see our total cryptocurrency market cap scenarios in trillions of dollars. And we know, right, from the chart that we just looked at, that $3 to $5 trillion is pretty reasonable in the long term, given the next 1 to 2 years, right? And then we look at market dominance of Ethereum at roughly 18%. And you can see that right now at a $2 trillion market cap, total cryptocurrency market cap, we're at about $3,000. But if we go to a $3 to $5 trillion market cap, we can see Ethereum going to potentially $4,500 or $7,600. Now, we just talked about and I have to make sure to back up because, jumping back and forth can oftentimes confuse people. Now we're talking about a long-term scenario, right? We're talking about the next 2 to 3 years. We're not talking about a black swan event in October, right? We're talking about we're taking our time frame from short-term to long-term, right? Because I know people get confused. Oh, I thought you were just talking about a potential crash down to 20K Bitcoin, but now you're talking about Ethereum going to 4,500 or 7,600. We're talking about long-term now, right? And that's what this scenario analysis helps us zero in on, right? And we've got this for 6,000 different cryptocurrencies. So I'm very, very excited about this. And it's just a fantastic way to filter out, for lack of a better term, the BS that a lot of times you'll see on YouTube of, oh, Ethereum's going to $90,000 within the next 3 months. Well, we know that that's probably not true, because in order for that to happen, we'd have to go to above a $10 trillion total cryptocurrency market cap and above a 90% dominance for Ethereum. That means 90% of the total cryptocurrency market cap out there would have to be allocated to Ethereum in the next 3 months. And that makes no sense, right? So I love the scenario analysis model on TM 2.0 because it allows us to zero in on actual realistic price ranges for us to zero in on, especially for altcoins, right? And it helps us chop out all the scenarios that are incredibly unlikely, right? Like we can see that $400 Ethereum is incredibly unlikely. We can see that $76,000 Ethereum, right, at least in the short term, is incredibly unlikely, right? So I'm going to kick it back over to Bill. I just wanted to share that how to use the scenario analysis over here because it's a tool that I'm looking forward to using on TM 2.0.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.